Campbell Bower appeared on The Tonight Show starring Jimmy Fallon to talk about joining the cast of Netflix's Stranger Things for Season 4. Bower discussed his role in the series as Vecna, the main villain of Season 4. His performance has received critical acclaim, but Bower told Fallon Tuesday that he never even imagined I'd be on a show like this, let alone playing this thing. It's amazing. It's just a blessing. The whole thing feels like such a whirlwind since I got it. The British actor is almost completely unrecognizable as Vecna and told Fallon that the physical transformation into the character was about 90% real. It takes about 8 hours to put the whole thing on. We start at sort of 3 a.m. to be ready for about 10, and then I have to act, Bower said. Bower also changed his voice for the role and told Fallon that he was not sure going into the project what voice to use. It took a few months to get right, Bower said. We did the read-through and I was there at the table read with everyone. Sat behind Millie Bobby Brown and I was doing the voice, and it started in this like very kind of nasally kind of area, more like Freddy Krueger, and it just wasn't landing. So I went home and worked on it, did a bunch of reference work on it, and it said that this deep booming voice kind of comes out of the darkness. So I just kind of worked on that, and I'm a singer, so I just kind of relaxed myself. This was used to transition into a conversation about Bower's music. His next project will be a new movie with Kevin Costner, which Bower described to Fallon as a Western saga. Bower ended the interview by saying a number of unusual phrases in Vecna's voice. Share your thoughts on this story in our comment section below. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for notifications.